Did you know there's an ancient city so advanced it baffles scientists to this day? Mohenjo-Daro, a gem of the Indus Valley Civilization, raises questions no one can seem to answer. But what exactly happened to this once thriving city, and why did its people vanish without a trace? Let's dive into the enigma of Mohenjo-Daro, a city whose secrets refuse to stay buried. Mohenjo-Daro, meaning Mound of the Dead, is over 4,500 years old and located in present-day Pakistan. Discovered in 1922, archaeologists were shocked by what they found. Streets laid out in perfect grids, advanced drainage systems, and houses made of baked bricks. This wasn't just a city, it was a masterpiece of urban planning. But here's the kicker. This level of sophistication was achieved when most of the world was still living in primitive huts. How did they get so advanced? Some researchers believe Mohenjo-Daro might have been the most developed city of its time, possibly even surpassing the civilizations of Mesopotamia and Egypt. But here's where the mystery deepens. One chilling discovery stunned archaeologists: the bodies. Skeletons scattered throughout the city, lying in the streets as if something catastrophic had occurred. Was it an invasion, a natural disaster, or something even more sinister? Some historians argue that Mohenjo-Daro fell victim to a massive flood, as the city lies near the Indus River. But if that's the case, why weren't the bodies buried by sediment? Others point to the possibility of an enemy attack. Yet there's no evidence of widespread destruction, no signs of burning, no weapons found. Here's where it gets even stranger. In the 1960s, researchers suggested that the city might have been hit by something resembling a nuclear explosion. Yes, you heard that right. A nuclear blast. This theory came from reports of vitrified stones, rocks fused together under extreme heat. But could an ancient civilization truly have harnessed such destructive power? Or are we missing something entirely? Another eerie detail: Mohenjo-Daro's Great Bath. It's one of the oldest water tanks ever discovered, and many believe it had religious significance. Was this an advanced society practicing rituals we can't comprehend today? Or was the Great Bath used for something more ominous? Now, let's consider an entirely different perspective. What if Mohenjo-Daro wasn't destroyed by natural or human forces, but abandoned for reasons we can't yet explain? Perhaps environmental changes made the area uninhabitable, or trade routes collapsed, cutting off vital supplies. But here's the most tantalizing question. Could there still be secrets hidden beneath the ruins? Even after decades of excavation, only a fraction of Mohenjo-Daro has been uncovered. Some believe the answers to its mysterious collapse are still waiting to be found, buried beneath layers of time. And what about the Indus script? The language of this civilization remains undeciphered to this day. What truths could it reveal about their lives, their beliefs, and their ultimate fate? Mohenjo-Daro is a puzzle that defies explanation, a city that challenges what we think we know about ancient civilizations. What do you think happened to this remarkable place? Was it nature, war, or something beyond our understanding? One thing is clear: Mohenjo-Daro holds secrets we're only beginning to uncover. As the ruins continue to whisper their story, perhaps one day we'll finally solve the mystery of the Mound of the Dead.